to Chandigarh to celebrate something really exciting. It is nothing but the launch of our new SSBeauty store. But we're yet to find out who's more excited, the SSBeauty team or your favorite influencers. Come, let's check it out.
I'm really excited that Shopper Stop Beauty is now in Chandigarh. Today I'm here at SSBeauty store launch and I'm so very excited because we have so many brands now in Chandigarh. I am excited to see Tom Ford over here, Joe Malone over here, Kilian over here.
SSBeauty has a wide range of fragrances and I'm very excited about that.
This really was a blast of an evening. I'm totally in love with the store.
Some of my favorite brands have been introduced by SSBeauty and I'm so excited to try them out and also shop. We met Himanshi Khurana, which was the highlight of my day.
Finally, we have Tom Ford, we have Clinique, we have Kilian and we have Joe Malone in Chandigarh. I'm super excited that SSBeauty is here.